Grumps the boiler guy. And tanks. Alright. Get you guys a little shot of me pulling this tank down if I can. Just dragging it on the two-wheeler. Look at that leg.
Hi, Phil. Say hi to your fans.
Hello.
Easy, easy, easy. Not on that thing.
Yeah, I gotta move it.
Oh, get off.
All right. I'm sweating.
Adjust the strap.
Yeah.
All right, you ready, killer?
Yeah.
Pipe go. Push muscle in the pipe go.
This
Push.
bushing might not make it. Oh, just
Right
barely.
up straight.
I'm coming. All right.
All right, pipe go.
You gotta bring your own. Oh, you can't. I almost just took a tumble down the stairs. But big old Grumps, no, he don't care. Let's get this tank down. Fuck out of here. Yeah, get this strap. Put it on there. Don't let it crush me, Grumps. Oh. Oh.
Come on, you strap. You want the ground?
Yeah. Stand it up.
Somewhere on the side of the truck we had 3 14-inch tank lights.
You know, I ain't a plumber, but I don't think that's right.
When you use a shower shut off for a shut off at the basement. As a tea. That's an expensive tea.
This thing needs a clean out.
Yeah.
Guess that'll go. So you're gonna need the 5 30-seconds. And now we'll get in here and do this. This furnace is nice because you got some room to spin in here. Some of them are really tight and you don't get that. That was really loose. I usually just go the rest of the way with my fingers. And you don't gotta pull them all the way out. Just go till the thread stops. Push it back in a little bit. I gotta tighten this thing up because they're all loose. Spinning everywhere. It's fucking. Looks like there's water in this. Oh yeah, that's water. Nice. Oh. Strainer's not even bad, it's clean. Strainer's not even bad, it's clean.
Alright, well, if you wanted me to change it.
Also there's water in it, so.
Huh?
There was water in it.
Water and what?
Coming out of the pump. I watched it. It came out red, then it turned pink, and then it was just a clear stream of liquid. There was water in it. Oh, it's a nasty gasket. Oh. I should leave it, but I'm not gonna. So now the side with the little hole always goes at the top. That's where the oil goes through. This guy, oh no, I can't. Almost made it, oopsies. with a 2-foot wrench. We're just gonna. That's tight. That's tight. All right. Now we got it. Look, spiders in a beehive. Follow this thing. This is the cap. Goes right on like this. And you can take a screwdriver. You just screw the little screw in. You don't have to kill it. Just that. Trying to do this best I can so you can see it. Just like that. Always make sure the full's tight. Oh, I forgot to put this in. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but try to show you how we get this up on the gate here, on the lift gate. Take this, get one wheel up, get the other one out. Alright. I can pull it up. It'll come right in. But I'm actually gonna go ahead and turn it around. And try not to fall off. I'm gonna do it. Push it right up inside. Look at that. Grumps is just priming it up and we're all done. Oh yeah, look at all them bubbles. Smoky.
It's not burning, is it?
Huh? It was burning for a second.
It was?
Yeah, it's because you closed it.
I didn't know I had it close enough.
All it needs is a little bit of oil. Needs to clean out bad. This thing's hurting.